Question number 5. By using number line, arrange each of the following in ascending order. So we have to use the number line and we have to arrange this set of numbers in ascending order. So first of all, we have part A. In part A, we have 230 minus 13, 23 minus 3 and 30. So here the smallest value possible given is minus 13 and the largest is 230. So first of all, we have to draw a number line which can show all of these values. So we are going to take here 0 and here will be 20, here will be minus 20 and here will be minus 40, and on this side we are going to take positive, so we will take plus 20, then 40, then 80, then 100, then 120, then 140 and 160, then 180 and then 200 and then 220, and we can extend this line and we can mark here 240. So we have this number line and now we just have to mention these values on this number line. First of all, we have 230. As we can see, here is 220 and 240, so in between there will be 230. So this point shows 230. And then we have minus 13, so we can see that minus 13 will be closer to the minus 20, so we can say that here it will be minus 13. And then we have plus 23, so we can say that here is 20 and here is 40, in between will be 30, and between 30 and 20 it will be 23. It is just a rough guess which is also acceptable in these kind of cases. And then we have minus 3, so minus 3 will be near to the 0 so minus 3 will be near to the 0 but on the left hand side of the 0, so we can say that this point is minus 3. And then we have plus 30, so 30 will be in between of 20 and 40, so this point will represent plus 30. So now we just have to arrange these values in ascending order by using the number line. So first of all, the smallest value here given is minus 13, and then we have minus 3, and greater than minus 3 there is 23, and then there is 30, and then we have 230. So we have used a number line and arranged these values in ascending order. And now we move on the part B. In part B we have minus 0.5 comma 150 and then plus 15 and then minus 10 and then minus 3 divided by 20. So first of all, we have to show these values on the number line. So first of all, we are going to draw a number line. We take here 0 and here it will be minus 20 and here it will be 20, then 40, 60, 80 and 100 and 120, 140 and 160. So first of all, we have to point minus 0.5 on the number line. So we can see that here is 0 and in between 0 and minus 20 this point will be minus 10, and between, so this point is minus 10 and minus 0.5 will be much closer to the 0, so we can say that this point shows the value minus 0.5. And then we have 150, so we can see that here is 140 and 160 and between them will be 150, so this is plus 150. And then we have 15, so 15 will be between 0 and 20, and the midpoint of 0 and 20 will be 10, so the midpoint of 10 and 20 will be 15, so this point is plus 15. And then we have minus 10, so minus 10 will be in between minus 20 and 0, so this point is minus 10. And then we have minus 3 divided by 20, so first of all we have to change this value in the fraction. 3 and 20 we are going to put a decimal point and add a 0, and 21s are 20, then we will be left with 10, and since there is decimal we can add a 0, and 25s are 100. So minus 3 divided by 20 is 0.15. So this value equals to minus 0.15. So minus 0.15 will be on the left of minus 0.5. So we can point this point as a minus 0.15, or in place of this we can write minus 3 divided by 20 as well. So we have shown all the values on the number line. Now we just have to write these value in ascending order. So the smallest value here possible given is minus 10, and then greater than minus 10 is minus 0.5, and then we have minus 0.15, which is minus 3 divided by 20, and then we have plus 15, and then 150. So this is the ascending order arrangement of these values by using a number line.